Good evening, Farmer Joe here. So I'm just starting off a bolognese tonight, a beef bolognese. So there's 800 grams of beef mince. I've got Himalayan salt, black pepper, mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, half of red pepper, half of yellow pepper, 2 small red onions. I'm going to use a couple of cloves of garlic out of that, and there's a brown onion there as well. I'm going to cook it all in olive oil. There's the olive oil there. So this is what I'm putting together now for myself. That's some of the shopping I got. I got that mince today. I had other stuff from the other day. And I have my own sauce. Just hang on, I'll just show you the sauce I have. Hang on. So there's my own tomato sauce there. So I'm going to cook all this up now. So that's the preparation if you want to cook. I'm going to put them tomatoes in. I have a good few tomatoes in there. So I'm just going to put them into the sauce. I'm going to use all them mushrooms. So it's going to be a big bolognese. Coming into the weekend, I'll be busy, so that's just the preparation I'm showing you there at the moment. So I'm just going to put it together. I'm going to do another video with me cooking it. So this is the start of me cooking the bolognese. You've seen the preparation. So there's the mince with 4 cloves of garlic, just a small red onion. And when the mince cooks, I'll separate it, put the vegetables in, and then I'll mix the two together, put my sauce in, and that's it done. I'll have that with side salad, but I'll show you. I'll go through it now in a minute. So I just browned off that mince, and the onion and the garlic puts a beautiful flavour with the sea salt and black pepper. I just transferred my tomato sauce into a bigger saucepan, and what I'm going to do is just add a bit of mixed herbs now. There's a good bit of mixed herbs gone there. I'll mix that through, heat it up, add the mince, fry the veg, add that in then. I just added cherry tomatoes to the sauce, the last of them there. The mince is cooked. I'm just going to transfer that into the pot now. You're seeing my food cooked in real time, so I'm going to just mix that through. So that's the meat and the sauce together. I'm just going to put on the veg now. That's the veg gone into the pan now. I'll just cook that through. So there's the veg cooked. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take half the veg out of this, and I'm going to put half the mince in the pan. It'll look better cooking in the pan. I'm just going to add a bit of spinach in. I like spinach in my bolognese, so I'm just going to add a good handful of spinach in. That's a good bit of spinach gone in there. You see that spinach wilters down to nothing there. I took half the veg out, and I just put in half the meat sauce. So there's my bolognese there. There's the rest of the meat sauce. That's half the veg there. I just mix that in with the pot there, and I'll keep that. That'll do me for the next couple of days. So that's finished it. I'm going to make another video now with me making me side salad. So that's the meat sauce there in 2 places, as you see. And I'm going to serve that with a beautiful side salad now. So I'll take care. So I'm just going to put my side salad together. Cherry tomatoes, iceberg lettuce, red onion, bit of grated cheese, few walnuts, Himalayan salt, black pepper, olive oil, and cider vinegar. So I'm going to put it together very quick. So I just shredded up a bit of iceberg lettuce. I'm going to cut up a red onion, mix that through with a few cherry tomatoes. So that's my side salad there before I mix it together. I'm going to mix it all together now. Put a bit of cheddar cheese through as well. Hang on a sec. So that's all mixed there. I'll just put a bit of cheddar cheese on top. I'll mix that through again. So that's my side salad complete. I'm going to serve that with, I'll show you now. My bolognese is done there now as well. So what I'll do is, I'll do another video with the whole lot on a plate. I'll take care, Farmer Joe. So that's my meal there tonight. It's a beef bolognese with a side salad. You've seen the videos of preparation. It's all single 1 ingredient food. The salad here has walnuts, cherry tomatoes, iceberg lettuce, red onion, and a bit of cheese going through it. And you've seen me making the bolognese with the beef mince. Absolutely beautiful food. And that's how I've all the energy. Now, a lot of people would eat a beef bolognese with pasta. Pasta is refined carbohydrate, starchy carbohydrate, refined white flour. This is why a lot of people, all that gluten, they can't lose weight. They've no energy because there's too much glucose going into the body. So I have it with a side salad. That's the way I eat my bolognese. Don't eat any of that garlic bread or any of that sort of messing. You know, that has you all out of shape. You know, I'd rather a bolognese, and it's a beautiful fresh taste of this. You know, sea salt, black pepper, olive oil, and cider vinegar, the dressing for the salad. Absolutely beautiful. Farmer Joe in Dublin. All take care. Bye bye now.